Let's take a look at a few different boxes to ensure best practices when utilizing the box method. You could end up taking box dimensions while the box is sitting on a cart or a workstation, as well as on the ground or on a lower cart. We'll begin the process of capturing a dimension the same as all the other objects by navigating to the dimension icon on the right side of your screen. By selecting the box method, we're ensuring best practices when capturing a box, and you'll know you're in the right method with the Y guide on the center of your screen. Orient yourself at roughly a 45-degree angle away from the corner, with the corner facing directly at the user and roughly 1 to 3 feet above the object. If the box or the object is on a table or a cart, be aware that the height may be hard to guess for some users, so oftentimes you'll underestimate what that height is. So just be sure to bring the object either lower on a lower cart or the iPhone that you're dimensioning with or the iPad further up above you. The same practices apply, again with the corner of the box facing directly at the user. This is also a good time to note that you want the object to be in frame the whole time. So if I'm too close, it won't be able to capture. If I'm too far away, it won't have enough information to make a capture. But again, when you orient yourself in the right position, roughly 45-degree angle away and 2 to 3 feet up from the object, you'll get a sub-second capture.